These are the details of the interesting aerial mycelium, very close to the standard taxonomic description of a relatively rare species of actinomycetes known as Kitasatospora, first discovered in Japan. In this particular aerial mycelium, we can see a long spore chain which is slightly inflated in the middle and which has a very complex wall structure. The individual spores can be seen in this frame. Now this specimen is from Salmonella albarica XC2, 21 days old. As I pan from the top portion of the aerial mycelium and go to the bottom, I can see, after varying the focus, the thickness of this single giant aerial mycelium. It gives an appearance of a sheath or a thick wall around the entire aerial mycelium, which characterizes Kitasatospora aerial mycelium. We can see here the granular or rather bead-like arrangement of spores inside this thick sheath. Can you describe this feature?
Spores are enclosed in a sheet like container sheet
So these are the spores, yes, the circular this one objects which you see,
yes,
and that refractivity that you see near the wall is possibly because of some cell wall material,
yes,
thick. So as we zoom out, we can see in the entire particular aerial mycelium and its fine structure. Probably it is easy to study such structures in their natural environment because artificial manipulation sometimes causes problem with the natural morphology.